Hello and welcome to Legend Caravans. Legend Caravans is family-owned and operated since 2008. All caravans are built in Melbourne with the headquarters in Somerton. This is a purpose-built factory that includes indoor showroom. All Legend Caravans are built with high-tech aluminium frame construction and composite exterior with specially over-engineered chassis. The chassis are specifically engineered for all Legend Caravans and manufactured in Australia with Australian steel. As all chassis are done locally, we can offer chassis that are hot-dip galvanised, powder-coated or painted. Suspension of choice as standard for Legend Caravans is Cruise Master. Specially designed high-tech aluminium frame construction is put together with hand-rob self-piercing riveting system. This allows for some movement over extreme conditions to avoid cracking. The frame components of the roof and walls are lock-bolted together as well as to the chassis to create a solid and enduring entity. Self-piercing rivets also eliminate heat problems associated with spot welding pure aluminium and aluminium alloys, which melt below 800 coulombs. The fasteners are compatible with galvanized and coated surfaces, minimizing damage and eliminating recoating or replating. Unlike spot welding, a lock bolt provides approximately 100% bearing area in the locking grooves. Using a nut and screw, there is only 30 to 35% contact, and the applications is vibration sensitive. When it comes to the self-loosening effect under vibration load, we are all aware of the Yinker test, which monitors a bolted joint as it loses its preload when subjected to shear loading caused by transverse vibration. Compared to conventional bolts and nuts, lock bolts demonstrate superior vibration resistance. When it comes to the flooring, all Legend Caravans are built with one-piece honeycomb floor. Advantages that you get is extra strength, lightweight, impervious to water, so no risk of deterioration such as rotting or corrosion, and high impact resistance. The roof is specially constructed with one-piece fiberglass sandwich panels. It also has exceptional strength, rot and hail resistant. Thickness of the roof is almost 40 millimeters, which gives you a premium insulation, thermal and acoustic protection. Exterior cladding is a composite panel of aluminium sheets over an insulating polyethylene core. Voids in the walls are filled with air cell and salina. A closed-cell fire-resistant core inside reflective foil to temper heat and cold. For more information, head to our website www.legendcaravans.com.au.